Use an algebraic method to find the square roots of minus 16 plus 30i. So we want to find z such that it's plus or minus the square root of minus 16 plus 30i, which means we can let z equal a plus bi, general complex number, a, b, going to be real, and therefore it must be that z squared is simply minus 16 plus 30i, or in our case, a plus bi squared is minus 16 plus 30i. And we've got ourselves an equation. I'm going to expand the bracket. I'm going to get a squared minus b squared, because it's b squared I squared, then plus 2abi. That's equal to minus 16 plus 30i. And now I can equate the real parts and equate the imaginary parts. So I can ignore the I just get 2ab equal to 30, which means that ab is going to be 15. I've created simultaneous equations to two unknowns. So I'm going to let a equal 15 over b and sub it in. So 225 over b squared, that's my a squared when I square this, minus b squared is going to equal minus 16. This is in fact a hidden quadratic. I can times through by b squared. And then rearrange to give b to the 4 minus 16b squared minus 225 equals 0. This does factorize. I'm going to factorize it in terms of b squared. It's not going to be 15 and 15, so we can think about the prime factorization. I've got 3 squared times 5 squared here. So if I go with actually 9 and 25, that will work. So b squared minus 25 and b squared plus 9. So b squared equals 25 or minus 9. I'm going to reject that one because that would lead to an imaginary b, and we've said that it's real. Therefore, b is plus or minus 5. So b equals 5 implies a equals 3. B equals minus 5 gives a equal minus 3. So the answer is going to be, so the square roots are 3 plus 5i and minus 3 minus 5i. So we're then told by finding the cube of one of our answers, determine the cube root of this. Okay, I like it. Right, well, we know that we're going to square our complex number to give minus 16 plus 30i. It's just then which one we are going to times by. And now I need a minus 99. So I think I need the 3 because I've got the minus 16 here. Otherwise, I'm going to start getting positives. So 3 plus 5i cubed is going to equal 3 plus 5i times 3 plus 5i squared, which we know is minus 16 plus 30i, which is minus 48 plus 90i minus 80i plus 150i squared, so that's minus 150. This gives minus 198 plus 10i. So therefore, the cube root of that, of minus 198 plus 10i, is going to equal 3 plus 5i. And therefore, the cube root of minus 99 plus 5i over 4. Well, I can first of all times the top and the bottom by 2 to give me that. I've got the same thing now, minus 198 plus 10i. but it's all over 8. And I can use like similar things you would do with surds. I can actually just do the cube root of the top divided by the cube root of the bottom. And the cube root at the bottom is simply going to be 2, which means my final answer will be 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2i.